Hello and welcome to Affordable Backyard University, where you will confidently learn how to purchase backyard home improvements the right way. Come join us this week and see how we took two different type pergolas, put them together to make one great backyard place. And all that's coming up next on Affordable Backyard Construction University. Hey, before we get started, could I ask you a favor? Hey, we love you, but all we ask is that you like us, so click the like button if you like what you see coming up. Also, if you'd like to be on the inside track, if you'll click subscribe, then every week you'll automatically get the newest video. So, one last thing, if there's a topic you'd like to see covered, having to do with backyard projects like what we feature, hey, put it in the comments and we'll try to get to it. Okay, so let's get started with the shady side. A couple of quick things. This side, the shade side, is attached to the house and has two posts. And I bring this to your attention because everybody always asks, how much shade will I have? But if you look against that back wall, this is an early, and that sun's at an angle, and look at all that shade that those boards, because they're so close together that the sun just didn't get through them. So let's get to the bones of this structure. All the lumber on this is western red cedar, but the posts are 8" by 8". The beam is a 2x10. The ledger board on the back wall that the joist attached to is a 2x8. The joists themselves are 2x8s. And then the shade boards are 2x2, and they're just a little less than 2 inches apart, and that color is Ready Seal Pecan. So now let's take a closer look at the covered side. Once again, these are 8x8 posts, but the beam in this case, because of the weight of the roof with the shingles, is 4x12. The roof supports are 4x6 that go between the beam and the actual roof itself. The roof is constructed of OSB roof decking covered with a synthetic sheathing and shingles that match the house. That front fascia is a 1x6 with some decorative trim pieces on it, and you can see some of the other trim pieces up on the beam. And that's 2x6 post-base caps on both structures at the bottom of the posts. Here's a great shot from the back. You can see the 4x12 beam, the 4x6 supports, and that beautiful tongue and groove wood and the exposed beam ceiling. It's also a good shot of that beautiful fence we built, but that's for another video. Well, you know what that music means. It's time for me to shut the heck up and let you guys take one last walk through this job. It really is a gorgeous job. Thanks for coming with us this week, and we'll see you on the next issue of Affordable Backyard Construction. Hey, we'd like to thank you for visiting with us on Affordable Backyard University. If you liked what you saw, click the like button. Help a brother out. We make videos every week. If you'd like to be notified, click the subscribe button. Ring the bell. Leave a question, leave a comment, leave a criticism. If you liked it, like it. Pick a topic, click on it, and get started.